Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite features of the Panasonic Toughbook CF-31. As you know, they made 6 generations of this unit, from the MK1 all the way to the MK6. The MK6, obviously, they upgraded so you could put 32 gigs of RAM, and they put a nice i5 7th gen processor in there as well. Very popular unit that's been around for over a decade. And some of my favorite features, obviously the #1 feature has got to be the keyboard. I mean, they have not really improved on this keyboard with newer models. It's got a nice feel to it and nice bounce on the keys. Another good feature of this unit is actually the hinges. Of all the years that I've sold CF-31s, I can probably count on one hand the number of times we've replaced the hinges for the screen. They're nice, tight, and they're really rugged. Another good feature of this unit, of course, is the handle. I love the handle because it's still made of that metal, whereas in the newer units, they're moving more and more towards plastic. But you've got a metal arm right here that holds the handle in place, and it easily goes back down. And they even put the stylus in the handle. Some of the other features would include the port covers, and the port covers are actually very rugged. Only port cover that I can think of that is problematic is the port cover for the power port, but that's because it's the most used and open and closed port cover on the unit. So that can always be a problem. But overall, this thing is a workhorse. There's not much that goes wrong on them, and they're easily fixed. And guess what? There's a ton of parts out there to repair any CF-31 that you might find in the wild. But that's my favorite features of the 31. Hey, leave your comments in the bottom and let me know what yours is. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys next week.